What's good, YouTube? Back at it with another vid. What's good, everybody? Today we're gonna be going over order blocks in the market and how we can use them to execute a trade. So let's get straight into this. That nigga cricket this fight. All right, I gotta sleeping on my side, bro. I think my face is cooked. Yeah, it is, bro. All right, we're putting myself down there, but bro, besides that, hope you guys are having a great day. I did take an L today. If you guys look at my recent video, trade recaps, here, trade recap. Make sure you guys go check out that video. It's cool. It's cool. But today we're gonna be going over how we can use order blocks. Hold on, let me look at you guys. Today we're gonna be going over how we can use order blocks in the stock market. So essentially, what an order block is order block. Order blocks can be found after a liquidity sweep. So say we're in a uptrend. Yeah. Up. Oh shit, my bad, guys. I didn't mean to put that move down. No. Okay. Hey, bro, stop. Stop. Move up. Okay. So, order block happens after liquidity sweep. So, oh shoot, what the hell? So, order block happens after liquidity sweep. So, let's find some examples. You guys can write that down. And by the way, write down that it comes after liquidity sweep, guys, because you guys are going to need to know that in the market. Let me delete my drawings. Okay. So, order blocks occur when like liquidity sweeps happen in the market. So, we can look, you find one from a recent day, which I know which one I'm going to look for in the market. What day is it? 17th? So 16, yeah. 30. At the end of these trees, he couldn't call for me. Pull up in the demon on me. Looking like I still do fraud. I pop a chip with that rod. It's that Z shit. It's that Z shit. Alright. I forgot to mark out. Bro, I always do this, but I always forget to mark out London session. There you go. Okay, we have this London session low actually. Go to the 1 hour. Oh, right here. Fucking hate this mouse, bro. Okay. I might get fucking copyrighted, let's be honest. I'll turn this shit on. Alright. So order blocks again happen after the liquidity sweep. So you guys are gonna be like, what the frick are you talking about? What I'm talking about is it happens after the liquidity sweep. So I believe I haven't done the liquidity sweep video yet, but as soon as I will. Let me squeeze myself a little smaller and put myself down here. Okay. So pull up in the demon. Alright. Okay, we're good. We're Gucci, man. Alright. So let's look at the charts. So coming into market open, we do get a sweep of this high. So this will mean order block to the downside. So how does an order block work? After liquidity sweep. So boom, we get liquidity sweep right here. Immediate reaction off of this liquidity, right? Boom. Use our rectangle. We mark the extension move up. The market extension move up for a downtrend liquidity sweep. So boom, we start from right here, and we go all the way up there. Now, essentially, what you want to do for the order block is wait for it to go out, then go back in. Then you see the selling power or the buying power, depending on which order block is. So for here, we're looking for shorts. So boom, I see selling power as soon as that candle closed. Set my positioning, and I would have definitely got stopped out. Yeah. Boom. Could have targeted these lows. But look what happened. I got ticked out. Would have lost this trade. I'll show you guys another example on this trade. Right here. Okay. Right here. Hold on. Okay. So look, we get a sweep of liquidity right here. We get immediate reaction to the upside. This is for an upside. We mark the extension move down, guys. Mark the extension move down. Okay? Make sure you guys are getting off this video and going and doing that shit on your charts as well. Okay? Boom. What do we wait for? We wait for it to go out, go back in to the order block. Cool. Nice. And we can use more freaking confluences. Equilibrium. What did price do? Go in the discount. What else do we get? What else do we get? We talked about it in another video. Inverse fair value gap to the downside. But look, you guys are probably going to be like, oh no, it inverts to the downside. Bro, look at your confluences you got below that. Because there's an order block right here. It's just probably, it has to go back and fill those order block orders. Look right here. You also get another, you get an inverse fair value gap to the upside. So fuck this fair value gap. Boom. Placing your order. Longs. We also broke structure right here. We also broke structure. We broke structure actually way back. Hold on. I think I actually took this trade too. Boom. You target you target your take profits. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. Boom. That's a fucking juicy trade right there. Yeah. Get a break of structure right here. Boom. Oh no, we got a break structure right here actually. Boom. Mark it out. But it didn't get tapped. So, by the way, guys, order blocks are not always gonna the market's not always gonna tap your order block. So, say that this shit didn't hit the order block, but it hit right here. There was probably another confluence to it. There was probably something else going on. You probably marked it off wrong. So make sure you guys get this shit all right, guys. I got heartburn. All right. Let's see. Oh, that one sucks. Oh, this one might be good. Okay, boom. We got a sweep of liquidity. What do we do? Mark the extension, move up. Look, this is what I was talking about, bro. See how it went out, but it never hit it? Then you start looking for more. You start looking for more confirmation confluences for it. You can look for equilibriums. Did it hit that? No. Did not hit that. So, bro, you probably don't even take a trade off of that. Let's find some more examples of order blocks. Right here, look. Get a sweep of liquidity on this candle. Mark the extension move down. That happened. What did price do? Go out. It went out. Tap back in. Like that little ass bit. Tap back in. Right here. Boom. What do we get? Equal lows. Liquidity sweep. Boom. Order block. Extension move down. What did price do? Went out. Went back into it. Boom. You can add more confluences to your trade to make it more safer. Boom. You have an equilibrium. Boom. Price was in that fucking equilibrium. Perfect dash trade. Freaking set up your long position, bro. As soon as you see buying power out this candle. Boom. Set your stop loss. Boom. Target your take profits. 1, 2. Boom. Good trade. He needs boom. Liquidity sweep, bro. Boom. Mark the extension, move up from it. Alright, look. This did not go back in. It tried, but it didn't. See? But what else do we got? We can have equilibrium. And well, look what price did. Tap it multiple times. Boom, continued. You guys can use order blocks for everything. You guys can even also find order blocks in the hourly. You guys can even predict market like fucking days before. All of these look right here. Liquidity sweep. Extension move up. Oh, but look what happened. Price broke out of this order block. So if you put your order block for one way, so like this way, so for the downside, it's just supposed to go out, then go back in. But no, it went out the other way and it closed above it. That means the order block's invalid. So that means you don't use that shit. That shit's bums. Okay. Find some more. How about that be? I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we paid. Alright, right. I mean, we can try. Boom. Order block. Did it go out? Yes. Did it tap it? No. Invalid. That's what I did wrong today, guys. I marked out the order block. But, and by the way, if you want to take trades off of order block, you have to get a closure out of the way that you're going. So, let me find a better example. Let me find a good one. Let me find a good order block for you guys. Alright, boom. We get... How are we going to do this? Boom. We got a sweep of liquidity right here. What do we do? Mark the extension move up. So this whole move up. Okay. Price went out. Then it went back in. Guys, you guys have to see a... You guys have to see a power, like a selling or buying power out of it first when it goes back in. You guys have to see that. If it just shows the blue candle still or the black candle, either way, do not take the trade. You gotta wait for it to go out again. Then you're ready to take a trade. Then you go on the 5-minute. Boom, set up your shorts. I think it might look different on the 5-minute. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. The charts are... I don't have the premium, so I can't see. But that's what order blocks... Alright, bro. That's what order blocks are, guys. If you guys need more help, just comment down below. I'm willing to help. So make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel. Go watch my newest video, my trade recap. I lost $900 today. Friday, I'm gonna make all that back. I'm gonna pass my funded account, start getting paid. I did mess up on that trade. I explained it all on there, so make sure you guys follow me. Make sure if you guys want to learn, go ahead, check out my playlist. I do have some videos of me explaining it, some of the confluences. I believe I explained some of the trading view stuff. I don't know yet. I gotta review this because I haven't done this in a minute. So I've been mainly just focused on the trades and stuff. But yeah, guys, stay blessed, stay good, have a good day. God loves you, Jesus loves you, they all love you. So hope you guys have a good day, and be sure to go subscribe and tap in with my social medias. I'm showing them on the screen. Cause yeah, why not, bro? Alright, never mind. I'm not showing my TikTok. I got a weird draft on there. But here's my talk. I'm in my Instagram. Go tap it in my Instagram. So make sure you guys have a good day, stay blessed, and stay grinding. So I'll catch you on the next one.